Hello all. In this video we'll see how to bond a Flysky transmitter and receiver. There is no LCD model, and then set it to mode 2. There are two types of Flysky models, one with LCD and this one is CT6B without LCD model. Bonding of with LCD model is described in another video. You can see the link in the description below. This video is on no LCD model. This no LCD model Flysky accompanies with a USB cable. This USB cable is connected to the back side of the transmitter and then to the PC. Through PC you can set it to mode 2. Mode 2 is the most preferred mode for this transmitter, where the right hand side stick controls the elevator and aileron, and the left hand side stick controls the throttle and the rudder. The right hand side stick has spring action, and the left hand side stick with controls the throttle does not have spring action. That is for safety, as we are controlling throttle. Apart from this, there are two auxiliary channels and two switches for configuration, and then 4 slide controls are given for fine trimming of the 4 channels. The power source is 8 numbers AA battery that can be placed at the back side of the box, or you can provide an adapter. A 12 volt 1 amps adapter is suffice for as a power source. Provide any power source and then slide the power switch on. You can see the green LED. In case of battery, you can see the battery condition. If the LED is orange, it is battery level is medium. If it is red, battery is 0. It accompanies with the receiver. This receiver is Flysky 6-channel receiver, and a bonding wire is also supplied along with this. The communication mode used by this receiver is PWM mode. The top row is signal, middle row is 5 volt, and the bottom row is ground. You can place the bonding wire to the end, that is where it is written BAT. You can provide the bonding wire, or you can use a jumper wire and connect the first and third pins. For power source of the receiver, you can use your ESC and battery. The ESC signal wire is connected to any one of the channel. You can connect it to channel 2, and then connect the battery battery connected to battery. Now the LED blinks fast, indicating that it is looking for a pair. There is a bind switch at the left bottom corner of the transmitter. Press and hold the bind switch and then slide the power switch on. Now you can see the LED on receiver glowing steadily, indicating that it has bound with the transmitter. Now you can receive the bind wire, and then if you slide the power switch off and on again, you can see it will automatically bind with the transmitter. Now for testing the mode, let us shift the ESC connector to the end, and then we will be using a servo for testing the channels, finding out which stick controls which channel. Now connect the servo to channel 1 and try moving the right side stick and then left side stick. Now you can see it is the channel 4 is controlling the channel 1. So the channel 4 of transmitter is controlling channel 1, so it is not mode 2. Now shift the servo to channel 2 and then test the stick movement. So it is for channel 2 it is moving. So it is not in mode 2, it is in mode 4. So to change the mode, we will be using this USB cable that accompanies with the Flysky transmitter. Plug the USB cable, one end to the transmitter, the other end should go to the PC. Connect it to one of the USB ports of PC. You can see the red LED on. Now you have to open the device manager, and under the COM ports you can see the port allotment. That is a COM port allotment. If you do not see any COM port allotment, then you have to install the CP2102 driver. Now for configuration, install the T6 config software. and then open the T6 config. By sliding the sticks, you can see the movement of the channels, which channel is allotted to which stick movement. So for mode 2, the right hand side stick should horizontal movement should be channel 1 and the vertical movement should be channel 2. For changing this, you just click on the stick setting. Now you can see the modes. Now it is in mode 4. Change it to mode 2. It will be automatically saved. Once you connect the COM port, it will be automatically saved. Now you can once the mode is set to 2, you can just see the movement of the sticks. Channel 3 is the throttle, that is very important, that is in the left hand side stick, and you can also check other stick movements. Under system settings, you can set the endpoint settings of channels, and then reverse setting of channel, and also sub trim. Another important setting is type, which should be acro, which indicates acrobat or quadcopter. These settings can be saved by providing a name, and later you can just click on the open button and load the settings onto the transmitter. So this is how you can set the mode on a no LCD type of Flysky. Thank you for watching.